Englix. Learn English in the most interesting ways. Forget boring textbooks.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Englix, where we learn English in the most interesting ways. Today, I have a dramatic real-life story for you. A truck accident, a fire, a narrow escape, and 9 powerful English words hiding inside this story. Stay with me. By the end, you will know all of them naturally. Let's begin. It was a regular afternoon on the highway. A large truck laden with iron rods was moving slowly down the road. Laden. Laden means heavily loaded. The truck was laden. It was carrying a very heavy load. Now, suddenly, another truck came from the opposite direction, and the two vehicles collided with a massive crash. Collide. To collide means to crash into something. The two trucks collided. They hit each other with great force. The impact was so powerful that the iron rods shifted, and within seconds, the truck began to fulminate. Yes, it exploded in flames. Fulminate. To fulminate means to explode suddenly or burst with great force. The truck fulminated. It went up in flames almost instantly. Now, here is where the story becomes truly incredible. The driver, somehow sensing the danger, managed to decamp from the truck just in time. Decamp. Decamp. To decamp means to leave a dangerous place very quickly, to escape. He decamped. He got out of there as fast as he possibly could. And the best part? He escaped completely unscathed. Not a single scratch on his body. Unscathed. Unscathed. Without any injury. Perfectly safe. He walked away from a burning truck completely unscathed. What a word! The moment the truck caught fire, he got off the vehicle. He jumped out immediately. Get off. This is a very common phrasal verb. To get off means to exit or step away from something. A bus, a train, a truck. He got off the truck the second he felt the danger. Emergency services arrived quickly. The fire brigade worked hard to douse the flames. Douse. D-O-U-S-E. To douse means to put out a fire, to extinguish it with water. The firefighters doused the flames. They brought the fire under control. A senior fire official spoke to reporters afterwards. He said this kind of hazardous accident has been increasing on the roads recently. Hazardous. Hazardous. Hazardous means dangerous, risky, or unsafe. A hazardous situation is one that can cause serious harm. He then urged everyone, drivers, pedestrians, everyone, to be more circumspect on the road. Circumspect. Circumspect. To be circumspect means to be careful and aware of your surroundings, to think before you act, to be cautious. Wonderful. Now let us do a quick recap together. Laden, heavily loaded. Collide, to crash into something. Fulminate, to explode. Decamp, to escape quickly. Unscathed, without any injury. Get off, to exit or step away. Douse, to put out a fire. Hazardous, dangerous. Circumspect, careful and cautious. 9 words, 1 story. That is the Englix way. If this lesson helped you, please like the video and subscribe so you never miss a story. And I have a little challenge for you. Drop a comment below using any one of today's words in your own sentence. I read every single one. See you in the next lesson.
Englix. Learn English in the most interesting ways. Forget boring textbooks.